Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Deepak.
I wish you nothing, but you will have sweet dreams.
Okay, so happy birthday, Deepak. I'm talking very slowly because you can hear me in the other room. Just want to say that may God bless you, and I hope all your dreams come true. And wish you always the best. I have tried to create this video with help of all your friends and family. They have given a very sweet message for you, and yeah, I hope you will like all these videos. And yeah, I was thinking everybody will give me like 20-second 30 seconds video, but no, that didn't happen because everybody had so much to say about you, all good things. So enjoy the ride. Happy birthday, my love.
Hi Modu, today you have turned 35. Very, 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 very happy birthday, and God bless you with all the happiness in life.
Happy birthday honey, God bless you. तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Deepak. Have a great 35th birthday from your sister Krishu and Amit. God bless.
Hi Deepak, happy birthday बेटा. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Deepak. Happy birthday to you. औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता. मैं तेरी हंसी महफिल में फूल लेके आता. दिल ने कहा इसे क्या है, फूलों की जरूरत जो बाहर खुद कहलाए. हर कली का दिल भरमाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे to Deepak. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Deepak.
Hey Deepak, happy birthday. It's such a special day. यही करना है.
हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू. बबलू खान को मिलते लड्डू, और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू.
What's the matter, Joe? I'm mad at you for leaving. You're nothing but a big lever. Big lever with the stupid suitcase.
Any chance you're trying to pick a fight to make all of this easier?
Oh, dude, you see right through me.
I hope you saw that scene, and I hope that reminded you of me. It's been a long time that you guys have been away, and jaldi se aao Delhi. Bore ho raha hu main tumhare bina. No one plans any trips anymore. So yeah, come fast. बहुत हो गया, अब जल्दी आओ या फिर मेरे को वहाँ पे बुला लो. And I forgot to mention that it's your 35th, I think. So yeah, midlife crisis start हो गया तेरा. So wishing you the best and God bless you. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you कह दिया है जी, तुम और भी बुढ़े हो गए ओ तेरी, दिल छोटा ना करो, उम्र का है क्या बाल.
हाय बर्थडे तेरा है, दारू मैंने पी रखी है, ये क्या सिस्टम है यार.
बॉस हैप्पी बर्थडे. विश यू वेरी, आपकी एज तो नहीं बोल सकता, नहीं तो बुरा मान जाओगे. बट या विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. आप तो हो नहीं, आपके खुशी के बर्थडे के इस अवसर पे एक 4 जाम पहले तो अपने और 4 जाम आपके नाम के पिए जाएंगे आज. सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू फॉर दिस वंडरफुल पार्टी ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड लॉकडाउन. अगेन बेस्ट ऑफ लक. बाय बाय.
Hi Deepak, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sure you must be wondering what kind of a birthday this year holds. But this is how we have to live our life now. So I hope you have a lot of fun. Whatever that means, with a group of probably a little small gathering is what you will have. I hope you have a lot of fun. And happy 35th. You're turning old now. I'm sure you will look younger than what you were in Simsar. You've become fitter, I think. So just take care. Love to both you and Richa, and hugs and kisses to Dhwani. Take care.
Hi Deepak, Richa, Dhwani. Wish you a very happy birthday, Deepak. Hope you guys are safe and enjoying the downtime there in Canada. Really miss all the fun we've had, all our outings, all the fun time we've.
Deepu, I wish you a very, very, very happy 35th. मस्त बुढ़ा हो रहा है. I hope you get that. नहीं मेरी तरफ मत देख, मैं बुढ़ी नहीं हो रही. So, you know, I would say to the likes of Rajat and Snigdha that, and Debs of course, that, you know, you guys haven't changed one bit and, you know, you still look the same. But I cannot say the same about you. I mean, you went from being very, very fleshy to being very, very lean. I mean, how did that happen? Where did all that butter chicken go? Remember that pic of yours where you claimed you were just a year old? Yeah, like you were holding that comb and you had like 4 rasgullas stuffed inside your mouth. And, you know, to any third party, you would have seemed at least 3 to 4 years old in that pic. But you kept on claiming, no, I'm just a year old. So, you know, like I'm talking about that kind of flesh that you had. And to lose all of that, it would have taken some amount of effort. On a more serious and happy note, I will forever be grateful to whatever force helped me forge the friendship with you during Somaya. Life in Somaya wouldn't have been half as much fun or even quarter as much fun if you wouldn't have been a part of it. Every day, every moment spent was phenomenal, and given that I spent some awful lot of time with you guys and then to say that every moment spent was phenomenal, I think that just speaks volumes about the kind of wonderful time I had with you and Rajat of course and the rest of the gang. And obviously I'll forever be grateful to you for giving me the cutest nickname I could have asked for. Cutest and unique. I mean, no one names their friend Priya. So wish you a very happy 35th. Hope you have a great day, a great year ahead. And I hope to see some of that flesh on you again next time I meet you. Goodbye and have a brilliant, brilliant day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दीपू। तू आज हम सबको छोड़ के बहुत दूर चला गया है, बट तेरी फिर भी बहुत सारी यादें हमारे पास रह गई है। दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट एनी बास्केटबॉल, ये तेरे हर मैच के बाद वाले पसीने से बू वाली याद दिलाती है। याद आया कुछ? अपने अनबियरेबल्स के हर सॉन्ग की ये वो बेसुरीली धुनें हैं जिसे तेरी याद दिलाती है ये मुझे। एंड गेस व्हाट, ये टाइम मुझे तेरे हर प्लेसमेंट कमेटी में आए हुए हर वो कंपनी की याद दिलाती है जिसने कभी मुझे लिया ही नहीं। हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरे दोस्त, वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे। और हाँ, पेटीएम कर देना मेरे सारे रिटर्न गिफ्ट के पैसे।
Hi Deepu, wish you a very happy birthday. And here's something that I found just for you. Hope you enjoyed it. So on this day, just keep moving that ass. Have an awesome day. Cheers.
Hi Deepak, happy birthday. Richa, I thought a lot, but I have nothing embarrassing or funny to say for Deepak because he has been a very, very genuine person, genuine friend, has been there when you needed him with his super car. I think that car has suffered the most during our college time. But yes, Deepak has been there for everyone, the support factor. So Deepak, cheers to you. Have a very good year, have a wonderful year ahead, and may we all meet soon and celebrate soon. Bye.
हाय दीपू, कॉलेज में तू मुझे बास्केटबॉल सिखाता था और मैं तुझे वॉलीबॉल, लेकिन बास्केटबॉल में मैं वॉलीबॉल की तरह ही पकड़ पकड़ के बॉल को जंप करके रिबाउंड करता था और वॉलीबॉल में तू बास्केटबॉल की तरह बॉल को खाली टप्पू मारता था, कभी स्पाइक मारना सीखा नहीं। विशिंग यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे दीपू, एंड वी रियली मिस द कॉलेज डेज। Once again, a happy birthday from all of us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chachu. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Deepak Chachu.
Happy birthday, Deepak.
Happy birthday, Deepak.
Hope you're enjoying the lockdown birthday. And Richa, I really pity you. I'm sure इसने गिटार उठा के गाना शुरू कर दिया होगा। While गिटार तो bearable है, but गाना तो what do I tell you?
Come on.
अरे जितनी बारी मना करो फिर भी गाना छूटता ही नहीं है। In fact, Sonali was also saying कि every time when we go to Deepak's place, गाने लग जाता है। Anyways. And I was actually really thinking long and hard कि क्या interesting story या embarrassing story दीपक के बारे में बता सकते हैं, but somehow कोई है ही नहीं यार। He was always the sweet boy of the class. कभी कुछ embarrassing stories ही नहीं हुई।
Look who's talking.
So Dhwani, if you are listening to this, then definitely don't go on Papa. Please be interesting so that there are stories about which people can tell, right? And Deepak, I'll always remember you as the person who manhandled me after I was completely drunk at my bachelor's. I won't remember that moment. The only thing I remember is I was in bushes and you picked me up and I don't know, I think you kind of...
The question is, does Deepak remember that or not?
You rotated me all over the place. Anyways, all jokes aside, I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and have a great birthday. And hope we get to meet soon and somehow recreate those drunken nights. Not as drunk as our bachelors, but still fun enough so that we can create more stories. Okay. Alright, take care. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Deepak. Now you're part of the other side of 35 now. So join the gang, join the club, feel old. I really miss the times that we used to get together on all our birthdays, and I really enjoyed baking cakes. I hope to see you all soon, and we will cut another cake soon. See you. Bye. Have a good year.
Hi दीपक, कैसा भाई? पहली बात तो हैप्पी बर्थडे। एंड और रिचा ने हम लोग को काम पे लगाया हुआ है पिछले 2 दिन से, and it's a good idea. तो आई होप यू आर कीपिंग सेफ. कोरोना में सेफ रहो भाई, घर में एंजॉय करो और हैप्पी बर्थडे. और जब तुम नेक्स्ट टाइम दिल्ली आओगे तो कुछ प्लान करते हैं पहले की तरह वाला, जो ऑयस्टर्स वाला, वाटर पार्क वाला, जब तू लड़कियाँ छेड़ा करता था. ठीक है, तो वैसा कुछ प्लान करते हैं. और तू ये लड़की वाला पार्ट गलत हो गया. ठीक है, तो ये भाभी को नहीं बताना था. तो ठीक है, अभी तुम लोग एंजॉय करो. और अभी एक ये जो आम आदमी की तरफ से तेरे लिए एक ये कच्चा आम है, वो गिफ्ट है. तो यू एंजॉय और अपनी पिक्स जो है पोस्ट करो. ठीक है, चलो हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. बाय.
Hi Deepak, happy birthday. When I think of Deepak, so couple of things which very distinctly I remember is, एक तो दीपक हमेशा अपना हौस खास वाले घर का एड्रेस बताता था, हौस खास और सम एड्रेस विद सेंचुरी, क्योंकि वो 100 नंबर था. आई थिंक E100 था, कुड बी रॉन्ग, बट 100 याद है. तो वो बड़ा वेरी प्राउडली ही यूज्ड टू से my address is Century, Hoskas and E Century or something. And the second thing with Deepak I remember is that he would sweat like anything. So it was a very common sight to see. उसकी पूरी शर्ट भीगी हुई, वो अपना बास्केटबॉल खेल कर आता था क्लास में, एंड एंटायर इट वाज लाइक एज इफ किसी ने पानी की बोतल उसके ऊपर डाली हो. So that's what I fondly, these two things which I very fondly remember. We spent a lot of birthdays together जब हम लोग छोटे थे. And again, happy birthday to Deepak. Be happy, stay safe. And next time when we are here, तब we'll all meet up. We'll do a grand party. ठीक है, चलो, bye bye.
वालेकुम दीपक, आपको याओं में पैदाइश मुबारक हो. Wish you a great 35th birthday. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye, take care.
Hey Deepak, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy 35th birthday.
रिचा से अपनी फेवरेट डिशेस बनवा लेना.
स्पेशली आलू और पूरी, और घर की साफ सफाई अच्छे से रखना. और अब तुम्हारी मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस स्टार्ट होने वाली है, इसीलिए as has been advised by everyone, बीवी की पूरी सुनना और अच्छे से सुनना. और as Jeera was saying that you should preferably play basketball with a t-shirt on. Otherwise, just get a lawnmower for yourself from Canada Tire. And happy birthday once again.
Take care.
Hey Deepak, wish you a very happy 35th birthday. And since Richa is watching, I will stay off the saucy stuff. And instead, I will just give you some advice. Please stop wearing sleeveless t-shirts while playing basketball. It makes you much harder to cheer for. But on a serious note, हम ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपकी सारी मनोकामनाएं, सारी इच्छाएं पूरी हों. जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Hey Tino, happy 35th. Nice milestone. I've known you for a long time now, since college days. तूने basketball team से introduce कराया. We've spent so much time riding on my scooter, on my bike. One thing I still regret is तू दारू नहीं पीता था कॉलेज में, पता नहीं क्यों, गधा. And now that you've started drinking, I'm happy. You're in Canada. We should meet up soon. I'll treat you with single malt and no coke. अगर तूने कोक का नाम भी लिया तो दोस्ती खत्म. And hope you have a good day. Hope you have a wonderful upcoming year. Take care, man.
Hey Tino, wish you a very very happy birthday. यादगार रहेगा तुझे भी वो साल when you turned 35 in quarantine. That said, we are all crossing a stage in our lives where the cost of the candles is more than the cake itself. And as somebody who is 6 months older than you, I think I can take the liberty to share a few pearls of wisdoms as you enter the glorious 35 plus phase of your life. So here goes. सुखी जीवन व्यतीत करने के लिए, as you know, be an obedient husband, a patient father. And remember, what goes up but doesn't come down is age. And it's all in the mind. The trick is to keep it from creeping down to the rest of your body. And lastly, please, And most importantly, don't waste good malt by mixing it with Coke. Cheers. Have a fabulous, fabulous day and a fantastic year ahead.
Hey Deepak. So I thought a lot about what I should say for your birthday. And actually I googled it as well. But I didn't come up with any good ideas. I think 18 years is a long time to be put in 20 seconds. So happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. Have a blast. Bye.
Happy 35, Yamraj. It's always been fun hanging out with you, both in and out of the virtual world. No matter what kind of crappy cars you're driving. To many more UT battles in future. Cheers.
Hey Tinu, what's up? Happy birthday. Hope this 35th year brings you great joy and happiness. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Renu, happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day celebrating your 35th birthday. Hope we get to meet soon. Cheers, enjoy.
Hello Dhwani, Richa and Deepak. This is a small message from our end. And here we go. वो रातें नौटंकी भरी,
वो मौसम मस्ती भरा,
ऋचा के किचन में चक्कर काटना
और दीपक का अनमोल नगमे लूप में सुनाना. स्पॉइलर वीडियो अटैच फॉर दिस वन.
याद है हमें वो देसी शराड्स की धुलाई
और वो इम्प्रॉम्प्टू डिनर पार्टीज प्लस मूंग की दाल का हलवा और मलाई.
ध्वनि का नेल पेंट्स लगा के वो इतराना
और बेचारे पापा की चोटियां बना बना के हालत खराब करना.
Cheers to many more such memories that we will make in the future. Happy birthday, Deepak.
Stay blessed and wish you a great, great, great year ahead. Love you guys.
Recording.
Happy birthday, Deepak!
Happy birthday.
We are so excited to be your friend or colleagues or whatever.
Friend and mentor
Okay.
and respected and very much loved.
And we see a foodie in you, which is I think where we bond the most. All three of us, right? Yeah. Yeah, well, have a wonderful one. You know, we went to IKEA today and we couldn't get in and we couldn't get the chocolate cake, which we had especially gone for. But yeah, such is life. But have a nice birthday. I hope you have cake soon, if not today.
And if you could get us cake
Yes.
at the first opportunity.
Yes, that will be highly appreciated. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
हाय दीपक, हैप्पी बर्थडे. सुनने में आया है कि आप ना 35 साल के हो गए हो, तो लॉट्स ऑफ विशेस टू यू. और इस वीडियो के लिए मैंडेट था कि ना हंसाना है दीपक को, स्माइल नहीं चाहिए, हंसाना है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं ना किसी जो होता नहीं लाफ्टर चैलेंज उस पे हूँ कि 20 मिनट्स में लाफ चाहिए, तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं सिर्फ विश कर सकता हूँ. हैव अ ग्रेट डे एंड हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड. Hopefully we will get to meet this year. I don't know if we can, maybe not. Hopefully we'll get to meet next year. The best is hopefully we'll get to meet in Vegas again, and we'll get to go to some more shows. That was amazing. और हमने वो शो देखा, उसके बाद वो कंपनी बंद हो गई. मतलब हद है यार. अच्छा, anyways, happy birthday. चलो लीजिए, ताड़ियां मारो, ताड़ियां. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Hey Deepak, wish you a very happy birthday. I've known you since past 10 years, although not very well. Last 1 year at Paytm had given us an opportunity to know each other better. It has been wonderful working with you so far. I wish you a very happy birthday once again. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Hi Deepak, wish you a very happy birthday. Wait, 35th to be precise.
I think because of this lockdown, we are having these super fun Ludo nights, which are amazing.
Yeah, and Deepak, you know, हम दोनों की जो केमिस्ट्री है, जिसमें तुझे पता है कि मेरे घर से निकलने में 2-3 की बड़ी तो चढ़ती ही चढ़ती है.
And I think the best part is कि जब you were almost about to win and लेकिन lose
and then you end up becoming third or fourth. That's the
That's
best
the funniest part of the whole game.
So stay tuned for more action if we get a chance to play on your birthday. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hello Ji, happy birthday Ji. Don't be scared by this hair Ji, it's the humidity. But happy birthday and I hope you have a wonderful day. As you get older, I hope you also get wiser and get all the strength in the world possible to handle Richa's buck all the time and all her crazy demands. Have a wonderful day and cheers.
Hey Deepak, happy birthday man, congratulations on your day. I hope you enjoyed the wonderful surprise that Richa's put up for you. This is just a little bit of our contribution in it. Much happiness and many blessings to you and the family, man. Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Deepak. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a nice quarantine birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday once again. Hope you liked all the videos. Love you a lot and enjoy. Mwah.
एक iPhone X, 2-4 बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां, एक बड़ा सा बंगला और एक डायमंड रिंग.
Hello, Papa. My name is Giovanni.
And I want to wish you
I really want to wish you nothing, but
happy birthday.
But your dreams will come very true from your powers.
Okay, bye. Say happy birthday, Papa.
Then before.